next oil that we're going to be discussing is one that we have all benefited from greatly, at least all the members of my family, and that is the blend Digize. It contains oils not limited to, but including fennel, anise, patchouli. It has lemongrass, peppermint, juniper. This combination, along with fennel and a few others, packs a powerhouse 1-2 punch if you're having any kind of digestive issues and want to boost those and boost a naturally functioning and healthy digestive system. I love to take a little bit of Digize and put it in my Nixure Red. I also take Digize in a capsule. You can take Digize off of a spoon. You just need it. You will find the benefits are quick and immediate. So Digize is great to be used for children and adults alike. You can just get past the smell a little bit because it's very earthy and very pungent. I don't mind the smell at all. In fact, it's so soothing to me, and I have just really benefited so much from the use of Digize that I go to it all the time, and I actually look forward to it when I smell it. I know it's going to benefit me greatly. So one thing you can also remember is you can take a little bit of Digize and rub it on your tummy and feel that nice warm sensation, and you are going to be so happy that it came in your starter kit. So Digize, yeah, eat too much pizza, Digize. Maybe drink too much coffee, Digize. Do too much of anything, Digize. So it just helps keep everything in balance as it should. That's just what essential oils do, guys. They're kind of cool like that. So that's all for today, and I hope that you look forward to receiving your starter kit. You should be getting it very soon. Digize will be in it. If you're already a member of Young Living and you have your starter kit, now that you know how to use this awesome blend, enjoy it the next time you need it, and don't ever run out of it. All right, I do pray that you are blessed on this journey. I pray that you don't need too much Digize on this journey, and that you are happy, that you're healthy, that you're oily, and you live free. Why? Because it's just how oil